Hello, my dear buddies. Welcome to English Quiz Buddy. Learning English has never been this fun, engaging, and interactive. At English Quiz Buddy, we make mastering the language simple, exciting, and truly enjoyable. Watch till the end to uncover a secret to learning English easily and confidently. In our shorts, you'll expand your vocabulary with exciting quizzes. Whether it's learning the names of daily life objects, kitchen essentials, household items, or even spotting the difference between a hill and a mountain. Quick, fun, and perfect for boosting your vocabulary on the go. But wait, there's more. Dive into our videos to practice real-life conversations, learn essential grammar rules, explore phrasal verbs, tenses, and daily English sentences, all wrapped in inspiring stories. Here's the secret. If you want to improve your conversation skills, just focus on learning vocabulary and practicing sentences. That's it. Easy, right? So, if you're ready to learn English effortlessly and confidently, subscribe now to English Quiz Buddy and join our amazing learning journey. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for daily updates. Learning English made easy, exciting, and oh so fun. Thanks for your time, buddies. We truly appreciate you being part of this amazing learning experience. See you in the next video, buddies.